Hello students, welcome to English class. This is Learn English Easily channel. Today we are going to study the lesson from class 10th. The book's name is First Flight. Madam Rides a Bus. This is a story of a little girl named Vali and Vali's first bus ride. This has been written by a famous Tamil writer Vali Kannan. Now let us know about the author Vali Kannan. Vali Kannan is a pseudonym of R.S. Krishnasamy. He was born on 12 November 1920. He died on November 2006. A Tamil writer, journalist, critic and translator from Tamil Nadu, India. The story. These are the key points of the story. The story is about an 8-year girl named Valime. She was very curious to know about things. Her favorite pastime was to stand at the front doorway of her house and see what was happening in the street outside. She would watch the bus that passed every half an hour from her village to the nearest town. She developed a desire to ride the bus. This became her deepest desire. Vali found out the details of the bus journey by listening carefully to the conversations between her neighbors and regular bus users. Now you can see a girl standing at the door and looking somewhere. She's looking at the bus and the conductor over there. She came to know that the town was just 6 miles away from her village. And the fare was 30 paise one way. The trip took 45 minutes. Vali planned her visit to the town. She saved 60 paise for the fare. Finally, she took the 1 o'clock bus to the town. The conductor was a jolly sort of person. He amused Vali with her light-hearted remarks. He calls her madam by way of joke. Vali was very happy to have got into the bus. She saw outside through the window. She could see the sixth canal, the palm trees and grassland, distant mountains and the blue sky. She met some passengers in the bus. She got annoyed when an elderly man called her a child. She disliked the elderly woman for her shabby look and didn't prefer to talk to her. On the way to the town, Vali saw a frightened cow running right in front of the bus. She clapped gleefully, means happily, as the cow ran faster. Now you can see that how Vali was just talking to the conductor, talking about the fare, and if anybody called her child, she got annoyed, angry. She saw a buffalo and running faster. Vali enjoyed every sight with the excitement. She did not get off the bus at the town for the fear of being lost. She made her return journey by the same bus. So you can see how she is looking out of the window and enjoying the outside sights. Vali did not get off the bus at the town. She did not want to go to the stall and have a drink because she had no money. She also declined, means objected, or she said no to the offer of a cold drink by the conductor. It tells you that she is a self-respecting girl and can overcome temptation. On the return journey, she saw the same cow lying dead by the roadside. This unpleasant sight made her very sad. She was a sensitive girl. The bus reached the village at 3:40. She got down the bus and reached her home. Her mother did not come to know about her journey. Now we are going to study a summary of the lesson. This is a sensitive story of an 8-year-old girl's first bus journey into the world outside her village. The girl Wali May, at a very tender age, tries to understand the mystery of life and death. The outside world for Wali is charming and fascinating, but mysterious at the same time. She longs to experience it by herself. The talks of the village people about the town added fuel to the fire. She decides to go to town all by herself without anybody's support. She asked the bus conductor to take her to the town. She herself paid her fare. She wanted to devour everything with her eyes, means she wanted to see everything with her eyes. She had even saved money as her pocket money as fare, and she managed to go by the bus to another town. She saw the canal, palm tree, grassland, distant mountains, and blue sky. She also saw great stretch of green field as far as the eye could see. She was overjoyed whenever she saw a cow running with a raised tail on the road ahead of the bus. While returning, she noticed that the body of the same cow was crushed and blood. She was moved from within. She was shaken as she has experienced life and death now. She was moved and shaken inside. Perhaps she was trying to understand the meaning of life and death in her own terms. She returned home in time. None of the family members could know her adventurous journey. So, some vocabulary has been used here, like curious, eager to know. So, the sentence that can be used in a sentence like this: a curious child is a teacher's delight, means happiness, one who wants to know more and more. Pastime, entertainment. Playing violin is her favorite pastime. Unusual, which is not common or which is uncommon, not ordinary. This is a scene of unusual beauty. Fascinating means what is attracting. I love a fascinating story. Or she was fascinated by the bus and the people over there who were having the ride over the bus. Wistfully means longingly. His sister would have looked beautiful in that dress, he thought wistfully, just like an angel. Now there are some questions in exercise, very short answers. Questions are there. Who was Walime? Walime was an 8-year-old girl. What was her favorite pastime? To stand at the front doorway and look into the street. What was the most fascinating scene for Wally in the street? The bus with the new set of passengers every time fascinated her. What did Wally wish? She wanted to have a bus ride. How did she collect information about the bus? From the bus users, asking some discreet questions. So in this way, she could get the knowledge about the bus. Now there are some other short answer type questions. What did Wally do one fine spring day? She slipped from her house and caught the bus to the town. What did the conductor call Wally? He called her Madam. What amused Wally the most? The sight of cow running in front of the bus. What did the conductor offer Wally at the bus stop in the town? He offered her a soft drink, a cold drink. How much money did Wally pay for her to and fro journey? She paid 60 paisa. So there are some long questions also. After reading the lesson and listening the key points and summary, you can answer the questions. Thank you for watching this video.